Jubilant Stories, unearthing the power of together.
Hi, my name's Emma Costley-White.
Tell me a little bit about your work here and how it originated.
Well, we have groups of vulnerable adults and young people that come on a day basis to work with the animals on the farm, and also we do horticulture. They grow vegetables, we've got flowers, they're hands-on farming.
And what's your background? How did you get involved in this?
Well, we got involved we decided to set this up when we were looking for a facility for our daughter when she left school. We very much wanted to find somewhere that was really farm-based rather than small animals or a mainstream college, which just wasn't suitable for her. And we couldn't find anywhere in Gloucestershire that had enough farming background, and so we ended up sending Ella to a farming college in Wiltshire, which has been very successful. But we realised along that route of having to fight very hard to get her to that college, and that there wasn't enough available for young adults like her, and that prompted us to really start something up here for others like her.
Sure. And what do you think your personal strength is? What is it that you personally have brought to this?
Personally, well, obviously having a daughter with special needs has been a large part of it, but also having been involved with a local special school and being a governor there for a long time, and coming from a farming background. So hopefully I bring a bit of everything to that, and so I have a lot of empathy with the parents and with the schools and colleges when they're showing children and students round, and I know a bit about farming as well.
Sure. And tell me a little bit about how the wider community around here gets involved in the project and what they've done for you, and also what the students here have done for them.
Well, all my help is volunteer help. And so we have groups of volunteers that either commit half a day or a whole day, and they come from an amazing wide background. They're not all retired. Some actually work full time but actually give up one day a week to come and help us, and they've all got their own strengths, which has made it a really happy place to be. And some of them may have had similar problems in the past to some of the students that are here now, and that gives them a really good insight into working with with our students, and they get as much out of it as the students that come here.
Sure. And I guess if there's someone that's listening to this now that thinks they would like to do something similar or they'd like to get involved, what would your advice be to them, and how would you kind of steer them really as they move forward with their ideas?
Well, I think don't get put off by the bureaucracy and the paperwork, because it very nearly put us off. But we've stuck at it because I've been very lucky and I've had tremendous support from my family and from friends, and who've helped with fundraising and lots of things like that. But it is a big hill to climb unless you happen to have come from that kind of background, and so don't get put off, because this facility is so desperately needed, and it's worth it. You know, when you see how much these children and adults, what they get out of working alongside us and working alongside the animals, it's just worth it. It's just worth all the hard work and all the bureaucracy, and if they want to come and see us, you know, we can help, you know, show them around and see what's sort of involved, and hopefully steer them through some of the minefields, which is what we got. Actually, we got a lot of help from Care Farm West Midlands when we started, and it was exactly